let's make some homemade blue cheese dressing so we can make our hot wing chicken salad. And the recipe to this will be in the comments. I'm using the same jar because I made this yesterday, but you're gonna start with 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. I use the Better Body Foods avocado mayo. Then you've got 1/4 cup of sour cream. I use the daisy kind because it doesn't have a bunch of junk in it. Now this recipe calls for 3/4 cup of buttermilk, but I am going to use 3/4 cup of unsweetened original plain kefir because it's got way more protein and a lot less fat. Now you want 2 teaspoons of vinegar. It says distilled, I only have white wine. It worked just fine. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is pink Himalayan. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. I use the organic Florida Crystals cane sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of black cracked pepper. And then lastly, you want 1/2 cup of good quality crumbled blue cheese. And I like a little bit extra. I love a good cheesy blue cheese. And then you're gonna mix it all up. Now we're gonna prep the salad stuff. I've got some garden fresh tomatoes and like romaine mix lettuce. I like a chopped salad. I do not like big hunks of lettuce to chew on. So I'm making a salad for Shane and I both. Make enough lettuce for both of us. Yes, that is a paper towel in my bag. It helps keep the lettuce fresh. So we're gonna chop this up first. Then I like to use the rotisserie style pulled chicken from Aldi's. You can use whatever you want. I'm doing about 3 ounces, give or take, per bowl. That's about 20 grams of protein in chicken. Each bowl a little toss. That way the lettuce is mixed in nice. Slice up my tomatoes. Each get 3 tomatoes cut into quarters. Gives it a nice little pop. You can put whatever you want in there. You could use celery. You could use cucumbers, onions, whatever you want in your salad. Put it in your salad. Then we've got our blue cheese dressing. Give it a good stir. Go from the bottom because the blue cheese hunks will kind of fall to the bottom. Probably almost 1/4 cup of salad dressing if we're being honest. But once again, it's made with that kefir. So it's got good probiotics in it. It's got a bunch of protein. Like this is as guilt-free as a salad dressing is going to get. Then we've got some Frank's Red Hot Wing sauce. Just a drizzle over the top is plenty. If you want to add more blue cheese crumbles to the top of these, be my guest. And this is what you get. This is my hot wing chicken salad, and it is amazing. I'll put the blue cheese salad dressing recipe in the comments, but I sure would appreciate it if you would follow my page while you're here, like this post, and comment your favorite salad or salad dressing below for me.